What's up everyone, this is Kaiwan, and today I'm gonna give away another free preset pack. As you can tell, as I promised that each week I will be giving away free preset pack, and in today's episode this preset pack is designed to elevate your forest photography, more like a jungle photos that has a lot of green in it. Even if you have like some photos that you can apply on, it's for free. The link will be in the description. And by the way, if you want more of these videos, please consider liking this video or subscribing. It would mean a lot to me, and it will keep me and motivate me to make more of these. Also, if you want to support my channel, you can go to kaiwanproduction.com where you can find all of my preset packs, LUTs, and overlays to really enhance your photography in a better way. All right, so here we are in Lightroom, and we have a bunch of photos of forest, jungles, and like waters. So we can start with this, and when you import the preset, you have around 10 preset, starting with number 1 until number 4, and there is different level of the contrast. So we have jungle number 1. I mean, as you can tell, you still have some like orange tone in the wood color, but if you go to jungle number 2, let's decrease the opacity, you have less, you know, it's just more like a greeny vibe to it. And I think my favorite would be jungle number 4. For me, the color grading on this is somehow aesthetic. So yeah, let's jump to the next one, and I think I would go with number 4 again, and boom. So this is before, after, before, after. I think number 1 would be nice too. Before, after, before, after. Even, yeah, number 2. So as you can tell, it's highly designed to really make your green color somehow aesthetic. So yeah, we have this one, number 4, and boom. So when you apply these presets as a whole, like as a whole portfolio, they will look really good like together, and when you post on your Instagram, the feed will look just pretty nice and clean. So I highly recommend when you apply those, try to have one certain preset and just click previous like this, and if you need to do some adjustment, then definitely do it. And if you don't know how to import this preset on your phone or on your laptop, I'll also put a link in the description where you can see the instruction how you can really import these presets. Again, if you want to support my channel, please make sure to check out kaiwanproduction.com where you can find all of my preset bundles, LUTs, and overlay, and I'll see you in the next one.